So one of the things I decided to do to save money this year, because everything is expensive, is the whole save your orange peels, soak them in vinegar, and then strain it after a couple weeks and put it in your regular like spray bottle as an all-purpose cleaner. You get rid of all that nasty chemicals that you're like, what is all this? It's just orange peels and vinegar. So it's safe for your home. It's an excellent disinfectant. It probably can't go on all surfaces just because it is like a strong thing, but it smells good and it's pretty inexpensive. And I started canning this year because I wanted to save money on meal prepping, and then I wanted to can the excess produce that comes from our garden, and you need vinegar for that. So every time I can, I put the vinegar in like a bottle, and I like do I just like submerge the tops to the rings that you have to disinfect, and then I pour that over it so it recycles too. Highly recommend the whole orange peel vinegar solution. Get it into your life, and then you don't have to spend a whole lot of money on cleaning products. You've got a natural one that you need. I love you. We got this. Let's go.